Myself, Preeti Santosh Kolpe. I am lecturer in Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and the Research for Girls. Today we will discuss on the topic enzyme. After watching this video, learner will able to know the what is the enzyme, to know the structure of enzyme, how to bind substrate to active site, which is example of enzyme, to know the factor affecting on rate of reaction, to know the pharmaceutical importance of enzyme. So, discuss about the enzyme. Enzymes are biological catalyst. Enzyme also speed up the rate of biochemical reaction. Most enzymes are three-dimensional globular protein, that is tertiary and quaternary structure. RNA species act as enzyme are called as ribozymes. So the definition of enzyme is enzymes are organic catalysts which accelerate the rate of reaction and which convert the substrate into a specific product. Then the structure of enzyme. The active site of an enzyme is the region that binds the substrate cofactor, prosthetic group and content residue that helps to hold the substrate. Active sites generally occupies less than 5% of the total surface area of enzyme. Active site has a specific shape due to tertiary structure of protein. A change in the shape of protein affects the shape of active site and the functions of the enzyme. Then the active site. Active site can be further divided into binding site and the catalytic site. Binding site is it chooses the substrate and bind it to active site. Catalytic site it performs the catalyzation of enzyme. Then we will discuss about the substrate. So the definition of substrate is the reactant in biochemical reaction is termed as substrate. When a substrate binds to an enzyme, it forms an enzyme substrate complex. Then the examples of the enzyme. When the lactose is a substrate and the enzyme is the lactase to gives the product is glucose plus galactose. When the maltose is a substrate and enzyme is the maltase gives the product glucose. When the cellulose is substrate and cellulase is enzyme gives the product glucose. When the lipid is a substrate and enzyme is the lipase gives the product glycerol plus fatty acid. When starch is a substrate and enzyme is amylase gives the product maltose. When protein is a substrate and the protease is enzyme gives the product peptides and the polypeptide. Let us think which factors are affecting rate of enzyme catalyzed reaction. So for few seconds just pause your video and think about that. After starting the video, we will discuss about the factor affecting rate of enzyme catalyzed reaction. Most of the factor which affect the rate of reaction is temperature and hydrogen ion concentration, that is pH. Effect of temperature. Rising the temperature increases the rate of enzyme catalyzed reaction by increasing the kinetic energy of reacting molecule. Enzyme work maximum over a particular temperature known as optimum temperature. Enzymes for human generally exhibit stability temperature up to 35 to 45 degrees Celsius. The temperature coefficient is a factor Q10 by which the rate of biological processes increases for a 10 degrees Celsius increases in temperature. For most biological processes, Q10 is equal to 2. However, sometimes heat energy can also increase the kinetic energy to a point that exceeds the energy barrier which result in denaturing of enzymes. Then the effect of a temperature on the rate of reaction. When the temperature is increases, the rate of reaction is also increases, but up to a specific period or up to a specific time. After that, the temperature is decreases and also increases the rate of reaction. Then we will discuss about the effect of pH. Rate of almost all enzymes catalyze reaction depend on the pH. Most enzymes exhibit the optical activity at pH value between 5 and 9. High or low pH value than optimum value will cause ionization of enzyme, which result in denaturation of enzyme. Then we will discuss about the pharmaceutical importance of enzymes. Enzymes are virtually involved in all physiological processes, which make them the targets of choice for a drug that cures the human disease. Applied enzyme kinetic represent the principal tools by which the scientists identify and characterize therapeutic agent that selectively inhibit the rate of specific enzyme catalyzed process. Enzymes kinetics thus plays a critical role in drug discovery as well as elaborating the mode of action drug. So we will discuss all the topic related the enzyme. So thank you very much.